Hello friends, recently a horrifying incident was reported from Bangalore where a 42-year-old woman was killed on the outskirts of the city in front of her son by her strange ex-husband over an alleged land dispute. As can be seen, the incident is very serious and everyone is seen gathering to oppose it. Although Bangalore is considered to be a very luxurious city, many such incidents have come to the fore in the last few days, which have put the entire city in the public dock. This recent accident has created panic among all the people, but the most fear is currently in the mind of the boy who has seen his mother dying in front of his eyes. Talking about the accident, it happened around 10:30 p.m. on Monday night. Let us tell you that the matter has happened in Electronic City of Bangalore, where a woman whose name is being told as Archana Reddy has died. The investigation of the case is going on in full swing and many big statements have come to the fore. Archana Reddy was returning home with her son and driver after casting her vote in the Anikal Gram Panchayat elections, but her car was stopped midway when it was at Husha Road signal. Then an unknown couple started attacking Reddy with a knife. Only then her driver and the boy were able to escape from the place somehow but could not save Reddy's life. She was badly hit with knives, due to which she also got many serious injuries. She was also taken to the hospital at the same time, but she died in the hospital. Police suspect that Archana's ex-husband Naveen was the main culprit of the act, as the couple separated 6 years ago and was involved in a land dispute registered at Chigni police station. The wife was living with her son since the divorce. The police are yet to make arrest in the case as the investigation has started. Whoever heard about this case all want to know the hidden secret behind the case and give the harshest punishment to the guilty. We are also constantly searching to find some clues related to that matter. So, if we get any further update related to the matter, then we will update you soon. Till then, keep visiting our channel and do subscribe. Thank you so much, guys.